Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce you to another Renault vehicle. I had already introduced you to the concept car of the Renault e-Space. Now I'll show you the Renault Sport RS01. The Renault is from 2014. It was released at the Motor Show in Moscow at the time, and then revealed to the public. A very cool sports car. Also very well staged by Hot Wheels, in the color red. At the motor show, it was shown in the color yellow. I also think the lettering on the windshield is quite cool with the Renault Sport. You can see everything there very nicely. RS01. Then the rear spoiler. It also says Renault again. So a very great vehicle. This vehicle is from 2023 from the Hot Wheels series, Hot Wheels Turbo, which, of course, also has to do with the engine the car had or has at that time. A Nissan engine installed. A V6 bi-turbo engine with 550 HP, which I actually find rather little for a super sports car. Even if this car is from 2014, I think at that time the technology was already more advanced than this. If you consider that the e-Space concept car had already 811 HP, which is way more. Of course the e-Space has Formula 1 technology installed, but why Renault has not done that here with this vehicle is a mystery to me. The rim's also quite nice in the color white matching the red, really well made wheels. I think the car was supposed to sell for over 350,000 euro. It also has a top speed of over 300 km/h, but I don't know who would buy such a car. I mean, it's still a Renault after all. It's not a Lamborghini or another exotic Ferrari car or something. It's just a Renault with a Nissan engine. I think the price is already set very, very high for 350,000 euro. Crazy. But well, if you have the money, why not? I like Renault as a brand very much, so I'll introduce it to you again here. If you like it, you can order it from my online shop. Just drop by at www.big-mike.us. I would be very happy. Until the next video. Bye.